shit on me. G440, first nigga move, getting stripped like Smokey. Shoot shit Kobe, feeling like Ginobili. Ballin' on niggas on the gang with my trophy. Little niggas mad, finna blow up.
Hey guys, it's your boy Wyatt, aka Sauce here, back again. And I just woke up. That's why my hair's all messy, bro. But I just woke up. But I'm finna do a little unpackaging on the Walther PPQ Airsoft gun. I got this one and I got this other one just so I can shoot my sister. Alright, so let's get it. Let's get it, boy. My hand's slipping. Can I lock the slide? Oh, this is it right here. So it comes with 2 mags. Where's the other one? It's good, so that way if I have to reload, you know, I can just... Bang. Here's the other one. Comes with comes with 400 BBs, which is good because I had a box of like 10,000 and I've already used all of them. But, it feels a little plasticky, but like not super, you know? Like it feels like some sturdy plastic. Dude. Yo, how do I lock the slide? Oh! There we go. Here it is. That's fire, bro. That's honestly just cool. It's got that safety trigger on a real gun, so pretty much like you can't move the trigger unless you press that one down first. I've shot real guns like that. But the sights are like this. They don't have no like dotted sights like locks, but that's sick. That's sick. I like how it locks back, bro. That's actually kind of cool. But they got a rail on the bottom. You can probably put a flashlight and stuff. I'm not gonna shoot it. I'm sorry, this ain't gonna be a shooting test. You're gonna have to go find another video if you want to watch a shooting test. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. This is a pretty sick gun. I'll try and leave a link in the description, but go on Amazon and type in Walther PPQ, and this will pop up. It's real cheap. It's like $20, I think. So for this, you're getting for $20. I don't think that's a bad deal. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I guess I'll see you in the next video. Peace.